So I want to talk about a thing which pretty much makes or breaks your success.
I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas.
And this thing is investing in yourself. Investing your time, your money, and resources back into yourself. So what do I mean by this? So number one would be buying and reading books. So by buying and reading books, you first of all, you buy books, so those are resources money-wise, and second of all, you spend your time while reading them. And why is investing in reading books and buying courses, listening to courses, watching courses, stuff like that, why is that important? Well, the reason is because when you do that, you're acquiring knowledge, and this is going to be a pretty cliche thing which you have probably heard a couple of times, is knowledge is power, right? And even though this is cliche, but I like to say that cliches are true, they are real, and yeah, that's the thing. So acquiring knowledge is something that nobody can steal from you. So if you know how to market yourself on social media, how to do social media marketing for our companies, if you ever get into a shit situation, if you ever go broke, stuff like that, you can still bounce back with your knowledge in social media marketing by creating a social media marketing agency, managing other people's social media accounts and them paying you. The same can be done for e-commerce, same can be said for personal branding. Everything you learn, you can use that, and it might not be in your official paper, right? When you finish college, you do this, you do that, but if you have that skill, you can show that skill. And a great way to show it is, for example, if you don't have a degree in marketing but you know shit about marketing, you can offer a company a plan. I will manage your social media for 2 weeks for free, and if you like what I'm doing and if you like the result I'm driving you, you can so then after those 2 weeks you're gonna be paying me X amount of money, and and for them it's why not 2 weeks free, social media marketing. Even if he's shit, okay, we'll fire him. If he's not, then great for us. We'll have a great employee that gets us money and stuff like that. So I want you to think about that this way. That's number one thing. Then another thing with knowledge being power. If you want to learn something much better, free stuff won't work. Nothing is for free. Nothing of value is for free. The things that actually have true value, in which you can actually get some knowledge from, they're paid. For example, books are paid, coaching calls are paid, courses are paid. Nothing of value is free. And this is what I want you guys to remember. A lot of times people are asking me to give them free coaching call. Okay, so here's the thing. Why should I? First of all, if you're not dedicated enough to find the money yourself, I'm not sure you'll be dedicated enough to do what I tell you and execute everything I tell you. Because the same thing happens with a lot of coaching students which are not dedicated enough, which I'm cutting out immediately. We do the coaching call, I tell them everything to do, and then they complain about not getting results. I look at everything I told them, I look at what they're doing, and I can conclude they're not following my advice. They're not executing, they're just, listening, and we're okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that. They're not implementing everything I tell them. So that's the biggest problem if you're saying, oh, knowledge isn't helping me, education isn't helping me, I need more free stuff because every time I pay for something, it's shit. No, it's you not executing and not working enough, and that's mainly the biggest problem which happens. In conclusion for this video is, y'all gotta spend and invest in yourself. Invest your time, invest your money, because what you invest in yourself, it's gonna come back somehow, right? And in shitty situations in life, which are gonna happen because life just hits you, you're gonna have a plan B, you're gonna have a backup plan. And if you're a knowledgeable person, you just become instantly charismatic, just because of the sole reason that you're just interesting to talk to, right? You're just interesting to talk to, and if you're smart, there's gonna be way many more doors opening for you than you think there are. For example, me and my friend, a chopper flying by. I mean a plane. Like me and my friend Justin, like if we would not have met, we wouldn't have exchanged a lot of our knowledge, and we would not have grown. And if I wouldn't be knowledgeable in my head, then he wouldn't like me. The same for me and him, right? So knowledge is super important. Nothing happens without knowledge. Nothing. But yeah, guys, invest in yourself, invest in courses, invest in books, invest in yourself. So far this year I've investing the $1,500 and it's only February, right? So you see where I'm coming from. Last year I invested $3,000 back in myself. Today I mean not today. This year I'm thinking about investing around 10 grand into myself. So that's courses, books, everything. So I become more knowledgeable and I can share knowledge with you guys. Because like I give a lot of value for free. So imagine what I'll give you for paid money, right? Not for paid money, but for money. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap everything up right here. I'm gonna go back inside home because it's kind of cold outside. And I just want to go out for a quick 10-minute walk. So you guys, thanks for watching and subscribe and like this video. As always, peace.